to my channel. Before we get started, if y'all new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. Also, another thing, make sure y'all hit that like button, alright? Show some love to this channel. That's another way to help this channel grow for free, alright? Hit that like button, help the algorithm of this channel, helps it grow, keep on growing, and keep on growing, alright? As y'all can see, I got my little soldier with me again today. This is little Kobe if y'all are new to my channel. He's about 11 weeks now. Last time y'all seen him, he was probably 6 weeks. And he's a lot bigger, a lot smarter, okay? He's probably about 20 pounds now. Last time y'all saw him, he was probably about 6 pounds, all right? So he's growing very fast, and he's becoming a little nuisance around here. So, yeah, that's it. You can get out of here now, buddy. All right, don't piss on that. As y'all can see, we're back in the kitchen, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we're gonna be doing, you know, a banging recipe, but we're gonna do a recipe. All right, it's not gonna be, you know, this video is not about the recipe. This video is about me finally breaking down and getting me an air fryer, all right? Yes, I've been fighting this whole, you know, this air fryer scheme for the longest. I did the same thing with the Instant Pot, and I love my Instant Pot, all right? I love it more than any pressure cooker. I love it more than any, you know, crock pot. I love my Instant Pot, all right? So maybe I'll love this too, who knows, all right? So yeah, recently I bought me an air fryer. Just came in today, actually. So we're gonna, you know, review this air fryer. I got some salmon, I got some veggies here. We just gonna throw that in there real quick. I'm gonna take y'all through my air fryer. I feel like this air fryer will actually be a great, you know, alternative way of cooking on this channel. All right, so with that being said, let's get started. All right, guys, as you can see right here, we have our Dream Miracle 8-quart air fryer, all right? Real nice, real sleek design, seems well built. I don't know what Dream Miracle is, but I got faith in this brand because they made a well built, you know, device here. Okay, so real easy digital dash to navigate. On the left side here, you got your temperature gauge. On the right side, you have your timer. All right, as far as the settings, we got preheat, French fries, we got bread, we got chicken, we got steak, we got the play, the pause button, we got the cupcakes, the shrimp, the fish, the whole chicken, I'm guessing. Not sure what that is. Maybe I should have read the directions. And we got our power button, all right? So pretty easy to navigate. As far as the drawer goes, real spacious drawer, all right? 8 quarts, plenty of room in there for your chicken wings or your vegetables, throwing a party, large family, doesn't matter, all right? A lot of space in there for cooking, okay? All right, guys, so as far as this machine goes, it doesn't come on until you lock that drawer into place, all right? So make sure when you start this machine up, you have that drawer secure and locked into place, all right? As far as what we're putting into it, we're going some salmon and veggies, all right? Mixed veggies. All right, the veggies are still partially frozen, and that's okay, because I heard you can put frozen stuff in here, all right? So salmon's fully thawed out, shouldn't take long at all to cook, all right? Alright guys, so once we get everything put in there, we're going to take our drawer and we're going to slide it right in, alright? Gave me a little bit of trouble initially, but we got it in there, alright? So as far as the temperature goes, I'm going to put this on 380 for about 13 minutes, okay? This should give me everything I want, make sure everything's cooked thoroughly, make sure those veggies come out crispy, and we just going to sit here and wait, alright? Alright guys, so as far as this machine goes, I wanted to see how hot it actually got. So as far as the heat, the temperature on here, the hottest part of this machine was that drawer area. So be careful when you grab that handle and you should be fine, alright? Very quiet machine, didn't make a lot of noise at all when cooking. And there's your finished product right there, alright? While this was cooking, the whole house smelled amazing, alright? It smelled like you had a whole kitchen going, alright? It really did its job, okay? So as you can see, that salmon looks like it has a pan sear on it. It's a beautiful color, gorgeous color. Our veggies look like they had, you know, a nice high temperature sear, and they look pretty good, to be honest, alright? You can't even lie about it. That I'm in love with that color of that salmon, so check that out, you guys. It's beautiful. Now, if y'all have been with me on this channel, do not in your right mind think that just because we made this in an air fryer, that we're not gonna plate this up for our eyes to eat, alright? Our eyes eat first, alright? Remember that. Alright, so first we're gonna go in with that beautiful piece of salmon, alright? Then we're gonna throw in our mixed veggies, alright? The whole pile, throw the whole pile on there. Then we're gonna go in with a little bit of lemon, and we're gonna garnish that with some dried parsley, okay? Beautiful plate, alright? You would think you made that the traditional way, alright? Let's get ready to eat. I'm starving. Alright guys, food is done. We put in some easy work today, and I am pleasantly surprised, alright? Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is what we're working with right here. Show y'all a little something. Salmon doesn't look like it dried out or anything. Veggies are actually still soft, but they have a nice crisp on them. Alright, so let's see what we got. The veggies, alright? I like the crisp on the outside and the softness on the inside. It's a little bit different, but I can get used to it. I can eat this all day long. Alright? I actually like my vegetables like this rather than, maybe steaming them or whatever. Alright? Let's try to start this show, alright? That salmon, alright? I want to see if it's real moist inside. Look at that. I don't know if I can see that. It's real moist inside. Nice and flaky. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's cooked beautifully all the way through, and it's not dry. A lot of times when you cook a salmon all the way through, me personally, when I cook my salmon, I cook it about 3/4 of the way through, and that residual heat that sticks to the salmon cooks it the rest of the way, alright? This right here is actually cooked perfectly all the way through. There's no pink inside whatsoever, and it's actually really, really good. I'm really impressed, alright? Alright guys, so as far as this device goes, I give it a thumbs up, alright? I highly encourage y'all to go get one if y'all don't have one already, alright? I know I'm late to the party. This is something I've been fighting for a long time and debating whether I should get one or not. But I'm happy I got one, alright? I can incorporate a lot of recipes and make more, convenient recipes for y'all on this channel with this, alright? I can make more convenient recipes for myself on this, alright? I actually enjoyed this recipe that I made, alright? If I'm in a stretch for time or something, I would go to this recipe any day. Now, if y'all are interested in this exact model that I have, I got it from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. Very affordable, nothing too crazy. I'm very surprised at the size of it. I do a lot of, family friendly, cookout type deals. So this will be perfect if I'm having some friends over, if I want to throw some wings in there, and have a good serving size for a group of people. So if y'all want this, y'all have a larger family or something, I'll leave the link for this one in the description box down below. Alright, once again you guys, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure if you enjoyed this video to give us a thumbs up. It really helps this channel, helps the algorithm of this channel so we can keep growing and it shows support to me, alright? Oh yeah, to all my new watchers, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Become a member of this family. We try to do videos, once every 2 weeks, sometimes once a week if, we get enough free time. But, I'm a busy dude. I try to keep y'all entertained as much as possible, but hey, I gotta keep myself entertained sometimes too. So once again, you guys, I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. Thank you so much for the support. I will continue to make these videos as much as possible. But as of now, this is Renaissance Cam checking out. I'll see y'all soon. Y'all keep on learning, and I'm out.